I am Anshli Pawar, your English teacher, and today in this video lesson I am telling you about a combined worksheet of verbs expressing tenses that I have shared with you. So students, please read the instructions that I have given here. It is only for reading and understanding purpose. Do not copy this worksheet in your fair notebooks. This is not for you to write it down anywhere. I always told you that to understand the tenses you have to make a table, you have to make a consolidated revision worksheet. So I have given that to you so that it will help you to revise all the verbs if you have understood, and even if you have not understood, I have given them here. Please read this worksheet. This is like a concised form. This is like a brief formation of all the chapters from chapter number 7 to 9. What everything we have studied: present tense, past tense, and as well as future tense. All three of the tenses are here, and from here you can just understand that what are the formulas. Like here, there's first formula given, structure of simple present. So they have given how the structure of a simple present tense sentence you form. You add a subject plus verb plus s or es. Okay, then they are saying verb 1 or verb 2nd. So there can be two verbs in a sentence also. That also I taught you, but you keep it simple: subject plus verb plus s or es. And then they are also given the formulas for positive, negative, interrogative. Then there are exercises which are solved here, but try and understand these exercises. Try and solve them in your rough notebooks or in your tuitions maybe, or wherever you go to study, so that after that when you have done by it yourself, then you can see the answers, correct answers from the worksheet. This is purely just for your practice purpose. For you to give a better understanding, I have formed this worksheet so that you have a consolidated worksheet of all three tenses. There are present continuous tense, then what is the structure for that, then the exercise for it, then so on. Similarly is for past tense also, and similarly is for future tense as well. So I have covered major topics. Most of the topics are covered in this, but this you do not have to get confused. Please, again I am telling you, you do not have to copy this worksheet anywhere. It is just for your understanding purpose. Please read this worksheet whenever you get time, so that you have a better understanding of tenses. I am giving this worksheet to you because tenses are a very important subject of grammar, and you need to have understanding of tenses for your upcoming life, for your upcoming chapters, and even for your writing skills. The use of tenses really affect your writing skills. So to give you a better perspective, give you a short brief about all the tenses that we have studied in the chapter 7, 8 and 9, it is given here for you to have a quick revision. And in the next class we will be starting our new chapter, active and passive voice, which is also a very important chapter. But first, completely go through this worksheet, understand it. If you have any problem, you can ask me, but I hope that this worksheet solves your problems, because in the online class also we discussed that there were some problems with present continuous, past continuous, or future continuous, or present perfect continuous tenses. So you were having such problems. That is why I have given you this worksheet. Just go through it. It will solve a lot of problems. Practice the worksheets because they have the answers also. But still, if you have any problem, we will discuss it. Thank you so much, students. Please take care of yourself and your family as well.